Who were the Taliban, and how did they take Kabul?
The Taliban were not one of the older Mujahideen factions. They were something new. Many of their fighters were Afghan refugees who had grown up in camps across the border in Pakistan. When the civil war in Afghanistan dragged on, these young men returned home carrying not only weapons, but also an idea that they would cleanse Afghanistan of warlords and criminals. Their strength was not just their faith, but also their organization. Unlike the rival factions in Kabul, the Taliban moved with discipline. They won support from local traders who were desperate for safe roads. With Taliban patrols guarding highways, caravans of goods could travel without being looted. This practical order earned them backing from many Afghans who were tired of chaos. Step by step, the Taliban expanded. In 1994, they took Kandahar and turned it into their base of power. From there, they swept across southern Afghanistan. The Taliban advanced toward Kabul in 1996. Inside the capital, the government was led by President Burhanuddin Rabbani. But his forces were divided, weakened by years of fighting with rival warlords. As the Taliban closed in, Rabbani's position collapsed. He fled the city, leaving Kabul defenseless. When the Taliban entered, they wasted no time. Their white flag was raised over government buildings and across the capital. For the first time since the Soviet withdrawal, one group held full control of Kabul. To the world, it signaled that the Taliban had taken power. To Afghans, it marked the end of one civil war and the beginning of a new kind of rule.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story of Getting to the Roots on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.